Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Podcast.
The job that changed everything. Emotional English story for listening. Learn English through stories, level 1. My name is Liza, and this is the story of the job that changed my life. When I was young, I had dreams, but life was not easy. I lived in a small village and my family was poor. Every day was a struggle. I helped my mother cook, cleaned the house, and watched my little sister play while dreaming about a better life. I wanted to learn English, travel, and find work that could make me independent. But I never thought it was possible. I felt small, tired, and sometimes hopeless. One day, a poster appeared on the wall of our village shop. It said, "Job opportunity, work and learn. No experience needed." I felt a spark in my heart. Could this be the chance I had been waiting for? I decided to try. I went to the office, nervous and unsure. The people there smiled at me and said, "Welcome. We will teach you everything. You can do this." I could not believe it. For the first time, someone believed in me. That small moment changed everything. The job was not easy. I had to wake up early, learn new skills, and work with people who were sometimes strict or impatient. I made mistakes. I spilled things, forgot tasks, and felt embarrassed. But every day, I learned something new. I learned to speak better, write clearly, and be confident. I learned that even a small effort, repeated every day, can lead to big changes. This job did not just give me money. It gave me hope, courage, and a future. It taught me that life can change if we are brave enough to try, if we keep learning, and if we never give up. Slowly, day by day, I became stronger, more confident, and happier. The job that I thought was just work became the key that opened the door to a new life. The first week at my new job was very hard. I had never worked in an office before. Everything was new: the computers, the papers, the phones, and the way people spoke. I was afraid to ask questions because I thought I might look stupid. Sometimes I made mistakes. I spilled coffee on a stack of papers. I typed wrong numbers in the computer. I forgot to answer the phone correctly. I felt like giving up many times. But then my boss, Miss Helen, came to me and smiled. She said, "Liza, everyone makes mistakes. Don't worry. The important thing is to try and learn." Her words gave me courage. I realized that mistakes are not failure, they are lessons. I promised myself to do better. I stayed longer after work to practice typing, answering calls, and learning new words. I asked my coworkers to teach me small things. Slowly, I improved. At first, the other workers were impatient with me. They spoke fast, used words I did not understand, and sometimes laughed when I repeated sentences incorrectly. It was embarrassing, but I did not give up. I listened carefully, practiced every day, and wrote down new words in my notebook. After a few weeks, I could understand most instructions. I could speak simple sentences confidently. I could complete my task without help. Every small success made me proud. The job also taught me new skills I never knew I could learn. I learned how to organize papers, use the computer for emails, and talk politely to customers. I learned how to plan my day, finish tasks on time, and work with a team. Every day I felt stronger. I realized that even though life is difficult, we can always learn new things if we try. Most importantly, the job changed how I saw myself. I no longer felt small or powerless. I felt capable, confident, and hopeful. I understood that hard work and patience can change a life. I was not only earning money, I was learning independence, courage, and self-respect. The job that seemed scary at first became a place of growth, hope, and new dreams. Every day I reminded myself, I can do this. I will improve. I can change my life. And little by little, I did. This job did not just teach me skills, it gave me belief in myself. And that is the most important lesson I have ever learned. After a few months at my new job, I began to feel more confident. I knew the tasks, I understood most of the instructions, and I could speak to customers politely. One day, my boss, Ms. Helen, asked me to complete a very important task by myself. I was nervous. I had never done anything so big alone. My hands shook and my heart beat fast. I thought, what if I make a mistake? What if I fail? I took a deep breath and started the work carefully. I double-checked every detail, wrote notes, and followed every instruction I had learned. I worked all morning and by afternoon, the task was finished. I felt nervous and proud at the same time. I gave it to Miss Helen and waited silently. She looked at my work and smiled. Liza, this is perfect. You did an excellent job. I am very proud of you. My heart jumped with joy. I could not stop smiling. I realized that all my hard work, all the mistakes I made before, and all the extra hours I spent learning had led to this moment. I had succeeded. I had done something important. After that, my coworkers also began to respect me. They saw that I had improved and that I could handle responsibilities. Some even came to me for help with small tasks. I felt proud, not because I wanted attention, but because I had proven to myself that I could achieve something new. This success changed how I saw my life. Before, I thought I was small, weak, and powerless. I thought that nothing could improve my life. But this job showed me that I am capable, that I can learn, and that I can succeed if I try. I began to dream bigger. I thought about learning more English, improving my skills, and maybe one day getting a better position. Even my family noticed a change in me. I came home smiling, talking about my work, and sharing small victories. My mother hugged me and said, Liza, I am so proud of you. Look how much you have grown. My father nodded quietly, and my little sister jumped and cheered. I realized that my success was not only for me, it was for them too. The job that once seemed scary had now become my path to a better life. It taught me lessons that money could never buy: patience, courage, confidence, and hope. I learned that no matter how difficult life is, we can always change our story with hard work, learning, and belief in ourselves. After my first success, my boss, Miss Helen, gave me more responsibility at work. I was asked to help new employees learn their tasks. At first, I was nervous. I thought, how can I teach others? I am still learning myself. But Miss Helen encouraged me. She said, Lisa, you have worked hard. You can teach others. Teaching helps you grow too. I started guiding new coworkers. I showed them how to organize files, answer calls politely, and complete tasks step by step. Some of them made mistakes, and some asked many questions, but I was patient. I remembered how hard it was for me when I first started. Slowly, they improved, and I felt proud. Helping others gave me confidence and joy. I realized that success is not only about personal achievement, it is also about supporting others to succeed. At the same time, my life outside work started to change too. I could earn a small salary, enough to help my family. I bought books for my little sister and small gifts for my parents. My mother smiled and said, Lisa, you are growing into a strong woman. Look how far you have come. My father began to trust me more, asking for my advice on small decisions. Even my little sister looked at me with admiration, saying, I want to be like you, Lisa. The job also opened my eyes to new dreams. I started learning English more seriously. I listened to simple English podcasts, practiced speaking with my coworkers, and read short stories. I realized that learning new skills could help me grow further. I began thinking about bigger goals, maybe a better job in the city one day, traveling, or helping more people like myself. Of course, challenges still came. Some days were stressful, some tasks were difficult. Sometimes I made mistakes and customers were impatient. But I learned to stay calm, solve problems, and keep trying. I understood that life will never be perfect, but perseverance, patience, and courage can make any situation better. The job that once seemed scary had now changed my life completely. It gave me confidence, responsibility, hope, and a sense of purpose. I felt proud of myself and thankful for the opportunity. I knew that this was just the beginning of many more dreams and successes in my life. Slowly, day by day, I was becoming stronger, smarter, and more independent. I looked back at the girl I once was, shy, scared, and unsure, and I smiled. That girl had grown into someone who could face challenges, help others, and dream bigger. And all of this happened because I had taken the first step, accepted the job, and believed in myself. After months of hard work, I finally received my first big achievement at the job. Miss Helen called me into her office. I was nervous and excited. She smiled and said, Lisa, you have done excellent work. You are ready for a promotion. We trust you to lead an important project. My heart beat fast. I could not believe it. This was the moment I had dreamed about when I first took the job. The project was challenging. I had to organize a team, complete tasks on time, and make sure everything was perfect. I was afraid at first. I remembered all the mistakes I had made when I first started, but I also remembered how far I had come. I took a deep breath, made a plan, and worked step by step. I asked for help when I needed it and guided my team with patience. After weeks of effort, the project was completed successfully. Miss Helen and the other managers were impressed. They congratulated me in front of everyone. Lisa, you have grown so much. You are confident, responsible, and inspiring. You are a true example for others. I felt proud, happy, and emotional. I realized that my life had truly changed. This success did not only affect my job, it changed my personal life too. I could help my family more. I bought books for my little sister, new clothes for my mother, and small gifts for my father. I felt proud that my hard work could improve not only my life, but also the lives of people I love. My family saw the change in me. They smiled more, trusted me more, and celebrated my achievements with joy. The job taught me more than skills. It taught me courage, patience, responsibility, and hope. I learned that life may be difficult, but with hard work and belief in yourself, anything is possible. I also learned that helping others and sharing knowledge is as important as personal success. Now I dream even bigger. I want to continue learning, take on more challenges, and grow in my career. I want to inspire others like me, girls and boys who feel small or powerless, to believe in themselves and work for a better future. The job that once seemed scary became my path to a new life. It gave me confidence, independence, and hope. I am no longer the shy and scared girl who doubted herself. I am Liza, a strong, determined, and hopeful woman. And I know this is just the beginning of many more dreams and successes in my life. My story shows that one opportunity can change everything. When I first got the job, I was scared, unsure, and full of doubts. I made mistakes, faced challenges, and felt nervous every day. But I never gave up. I worked hard, learned new skills, and believed in myself. Slowly, I grew stronger, more confident, and more independent. The job taught me important lessons: patience, courage, responsibility, and hope. It showed me that success is not only about money, it is about learning, growing, and helping others. It gave me confidence to dream bigger, improve my life, and support my family. Now I am no longer the shy, scared girl I once was. I am Liza, a strong, determined, and hopeful woman. And this job changed my life, and it taught me that with hard work, belief in yourself, and persistence, anyone can change their story. No matter how small or powerless you feel, you can achieve great things. All it takes is one step, one opportunity, and the courage to try. And that is why this job truly changed everything for me.